Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about functions. A function is a relation where the x values do not repeat, okay? So if you have graphs like you do here down at the bottom, and you can draw those vertical dotted lines and only touch the points once, it is a function. But if you go through and draw that line and you touch the graph 2 times with the same line, then it's not a function. So just like the third one, I drew 2 different vertical lines, but each line only touched the graph once. But in the last one, I drew 1 vertical line and it touched the graph in 3 different spots. So that's definitely not a function. Alrighty, let's look at this one. Does the following relation represent a function? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle each x value. Do any of them repeat? Yes, they do. The 1 and the 1 repeat. So this is definitely not a function. X values do not repeat in a function. Now let's look at the next one. Again, does this relation represent a function? I'm going to look at these values. -2, 0, 5, and 9 are all different. So yes, this is a function. When identifying a function, the y values have nothing to do with it. It's all about the x's. All right, let's look at the next one. Does the graph below represent a function? Well, let me see. If I drew a line here, nope, only touches 1 point. Same for that one. Same for that one. There you go. So this is definitely a function because no line touches a point more than once. So that is a function. If I'd had another point like right here and it touched it twice, then it wouldn't be, but I didn't. Okay? So which of the following does not represent a function? Always make sure of what the question is asking. So this is a not. So we want to see some repeating x's. So let's look at A. -2, 3, 0, 1, and -1 are all different. So that is a function. So let's look at B. 3, 0, -1, 2, and 1 are all different. There's also a function. C. We've got a -1, a 2, a 5, a 3, and a 2. We have a repeat. This is not a function. Let's check D to make sure. -2, 3, 1, -3, and 0. They are all different. So that is also a function. So your answer for not a function is C. Okay? Y'all can do this. We have full faith in you. Have a great day.